When seeking a hot water service provider, consider factors such as 24/7 availability, experience, positive customer reviews, and professional certifications. A reliable service provider should be able to guide you in making this decision, considering both the immediate and long-term implications. Commercial hot water systems are generally larger and more complex, designed to cater for a significantly higher demand. When you're seeking a hot water service provider, you need to be confident that they possess the necessary experience and expertise. Ensure you're dealing with a provider who knows their stuff. Look for a company with a proven track record in the specific area you require. Emergency hot water services are a lifeline when you're faced with hot water system problems.